Hi Shadows! Today I'm going to surprise my roommate. Lately I've been drawing a lot and so I designed these custom-made magnets. So this is currently his timetable. Are you ready to see what I made? Ta-da! Yes, this is a drawing of him. So this one says work. And this one says day off. Look at his little happy face. Focus! Focus! I have no face. So I'm going to quickly add these to the fridge and then we'll wait for him to come home from work and see how he reacts. At last, my greatest creation is completed! Now I'm going to put it on the fridge. This one goes here. No! Stay. I'm going to stick the spares on the side. Ta-da!
Okay. I'm confused. What's that? Some stickers? Is that me? Oh, that's so cute! Oh, thank you! Oh, this is me crying because I'm going to work. I like the days off one. Thank you. That's so cute.